Hi there. This is how you add a user into our account. You just go into the setup, um, into the security, and from the security tab, you go into the users. From the users, you open up the username, add first name, last name, and then the username as we at BLDON.com. And then you can put his email address as well. And if he needs to report to somebody, you can pick them whom he reports to and then save. Then uncheck this box so that you don't have to reset the password. Put a password, click on next. And over here, give him an admin access if he is a root user, or you can define various access levels by adding it to the access groups. Um, and then if you want to give him further information, you can, or you don't have to do it after you give him an admin access. And that's it. You don't have to do anything. Now you go back, the user is added. So that's how easy it is to add a user and BLDON. Thank you.